guys, happy Friday. Thanks for joining me here today. Well, in today's video, it is a collaboration with my friend T over at Paradise Point. Now, T is a fairly new YouTuber, so you guys, I would greatly appreciate it when after you watched my video, you run over to her channel, tell her I sent you, show her some love, subscribe, because when you're first starting out, it is so hard to get the numbers to tick up. I know she would greatly appreciate it. Now, what we're doing today is we're gonna be decorating our front porches for fall. So I need to give you a little disclaimer. We live in a new home community, and right now we are in the final stages of building. And so right in our neck of the woods is construction galore. So you guys, I could not take my light bar out there, talk to myself with my big light ring in front of all these men. I couldn't do it. It was hard enough, like doing my thing and then taking pictures and videos. Everyone's like, what is she doing over there? You know what I mean? I just couldn't do it. And plus there was a plethora of noise. We had excavators going by, trucks, rocks being dumped off. It's crazy town over here. So with that said, it is going to be a complete voiceover decorate with me video. My apologies, but I know you guys understand. Now, one of the reasons I found T is she was a recommended channel. And I think she was because, well, number one, she decorates. And number two, I live in a lake community in Virginia. She actually lives on the lake and has the most amazing, gorgeous, spectacular view. So that's how I found her. She was a recommended channel. I clicked on it and I've been hooked ever since. Now, not only does she have talent, she has the sweetest heart. She's absolutely beautiful. She's a mom, a wife. She's so sweet. And one thing that really grabbed my attention is she mentioned that she loves Cracker Barrel decor. And who doesn't? I mean, if you go in there to have a meal, you get sucked into just kind of browsing, you know, perusing through the store, looking at all their cute displays. Cracker Barrel decor says home to me. It really does. So when she started decorating with different things from Cracker Barrel, your girl was hooked. Now here is a quick clip of T, and then once that finishes, we'll start the decorate with me. And then I'll have her link below. Just saying, roll the clip.
Hey y'all, it's T with Paradise Point. I'm so excited to be collaborating with Liz today. We're both gonna be decorating our front porch for the fall season. I'm so excited because we've got a huge front porch that I've never been able to decorate, that we just bought this home in May. But anyway, I do all things home decor, home improvements, and lifestyle videos. So if that's something you're interested in, I would love for you to join my YouTube family. But after you're done watching Liz's video, come check out my video, and let's go ahead and get started on today's video. I'm so excited. See y'all soon.
Isn't she great? I can't wait to see what she does on her front porch. Okay guys, this is the front porch. This is what we're working with today. And again, the reason for voicing over is because construction is going on literally all around us. Also too, because they've been excavating a lot of dirt gets on our front porch daily. So if it looks a little dingy, that's why. But in any case, we're gonna add some cozy fall fun festive touches to the porch. Now, in regards to the front door, I would like to add a wreath, a garland, and lights. Now, what I did here was I took some nails, I hammered them into the trim, and this is how we're gonna hang our garlands. Okay, next I'm taking 2 garlands from Hobby Lobby, and what I'm going to do is nestle them in between the nails so that they hold on securely. So right now I only have 1 garland installed, and when I add the second one, I'm going to take it down lower on the right side. And this is how it looks. Next, I'm taking a garland that I found at Ross, and it's just 1 garland. So I'm stringing it from this end and then over, draping it longer again on the right side, sort of intertwining it with the green garland. And now this is how it looks, all snug as a bug in a rug. It's secured nice and tightly. It's not going anywhere, even with the windy elements. And now it's time to add a beautiful fall wreath because I feel like wreaths are so welcoming. Now I found this beautiful wreath at Ross and I love the apples, but what I'm going to do is hang it with this beautiful brown silk ribbon. So all I'm going to do is loop my ribbon through that little circle hanger, and here you see it hanging from the door. All right, next what I want to do is add 2 berry floral picks from Hobby Lobby. I love them. They have the pops of orange and green, and I'm going to take them down to the far right side of the garland and just bloop, a splash of orange. Blink and you'll miss it. It's right there and there. And I just wanted to accentuate the corner up there. Okay, now what I'm going to add are some micro mini orange LED lights, and I'm going to string them through the garlands. I found these lights at Walmart and I got 2 boxes, but I only ended up using 1. Okay, here you can see where I've started to string the lights through. And now here it is done. And you can see where I plugged them in with an extension cord, and now I've got to somehow conceal with the sign and some doormats. And here you can see I sort of dropped the remainder of the lights sort of over the sign so that it will accentuate the sign at night. And that's what it looks like so far. But now I need to add a doormat and conceal the cord. So now I'm going to add a buffalo check doormat, and then I'm going to layer with a hello doormat. Okay, you can still see the extension cord, but it sort of blends. Now I'm doing something kind of funny. I'm taking a skewer, a wood skewer, and I'm sticking it into the bottom of this pumpkin. Why, you ask? Well, I'm going to place it on top of my boxwood topiary. Isn't that cute? I noticed a lot of girls in my neighborhood doing that. So I'm like, I'm going to copy that. I think it's cute. Okay, now we're moving over here in front of the window where I plan to place a bench. And here it is. Here's the bench right in front of the window. And now I want to add some cozy fall pillows. I'm planning on adding these 2 plus 1 more for a total of 3. And I love the 3rd pillow because the little buffalo check bow on it ties in with the doormat. Okay, now we're going to add this adorable table that I found at Hobby Lobby. It's black, it's distressed, and I'm going to make a fall arrangement to go beside the bench. Next, I have this rustic black pot, and to that, I'm going to add some faux greenery. I love this greenery because it fluffs up super well and gives it a really full look. And then I'm going to add in some fall floral picks. And as you can see, it's honestly just beautiful as is on its own. But what I love about it is you can change out the floral picks through the seasons. And here I'm using these beautiful picks I found at Walmart. Just 2. I placed the floral pick in amongst the greenery, but I ultimately pulled it out, spread all the branches out, and that yielded a bigger, grander, prettier look. And now I've added the 2nd floral pick, and I love it. And now I'm going to add in a few of these just to add a little bit more texture. So basically I went in with the tall ones, and then I took the smaller floral picks with the pine cones and the wispiness, and those went more towards the base. And I love it. Okay, now I've got this big black pot that I found at Lowe's. To that, I'm going in with, yet again, Hobby Lobby Faux Greenery. It fluffs up amazing. And so here I'm going to take it and place it right beside the bench. And now I'm simply going to place the greenery in the pot. I have to tell you, these faux plants are awesome. Now, because we have two homes and we go back and forth a lot, it's much more economical for us just to use faux plants out on the front porch. And look at that, it's gorgeous. I'm all about low maintenance and I don't even have to water them, and they're gorgeous. Now right here I have two fall mums, which I'm going to set in these adorable baskets. And these will also go onto the front porch. And now I'm going to finish it off by adding two little pumpkins. All right, here are some night shots. I love the glow of autumn on the front porch. And although I kept it simple, for me, I think it looks really cute for fall. So I was thinking I may decide to add some lighting on the railing for Halloween. I don't know. If I decide to, we'll revisit this and I will show the final look. And I've got to ask, are all of you getting loads of frogs and crickets in the evening hours? We will go out to dinner, come home, and we will have a couple of really cute, big fat frogs sitting on our front porch. And the crickets are out with a vengeance. So definitely the sounds of fall are here. Alright guys, that will wrap up my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you run over to Paradise Point. I'll have her linked in the description box below. Show her some love. You guys will love her. She's got the best heart. Alright guys, have a fabulous weekend and I'll see you next week. We've got lots more decorating coming your way. I'll see you then. Mwah. Bye guys.